This is simple, nutritious, good for your toddler, college-going children, and you. Dal is usually made plain in every Indian household. Today I'm using moong dal, spinach, green peas, and carrots. Very nutritious and yummy. You should try it. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more new videos on staying healthy and thinking healthy. I've already soaked the dal for 10-15 minutes and now I'll be using a pressure cooker to cook this dal. Let's quickly look at the ingredients. Half cup dal, 1 carrot, 1 cup green peas, and 4 cups of spinach, 10 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger, 1 green chili, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Oh, I forgot to mention a bit of salt, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds. Let's get started. To begin with, add moong dal into the pressure cooker. Next, add spinach. Yes, that's a lot of spinach and that's how I like it. You may cut down the amount according to your taste. Add the diced carrots and 1 cup of frozen green peas. Now add enough water. I'm adding 3 cups of water since I'm using a lot of vegetables. Add in the rock salt and give it a good mix. Also add in the turmeric. Make sure to mix everything really well before placing the lid and wait. Now you may turn the flame on, close the lid and let it cook until you hear a whistle. In the meantime, let's start chopping onion, garlic, ginger and green chili. Growing up, my mother always made sure to add plenty of vegetables in her cooking. So I got used to eating them at a very early age. You know, sometimes we only start eating vegetables when our health requires to. Why wait until then? You know, why not incorporate plenty of vegetables in our daily diet? That way children will get into the habit of eating healthy early on. Otherwise, you know what happens? We end up in the kitchen spending so much time cooking separately for us, for our kids, and sometimes for our spouse also. So we can avoid all that. Here I'm using pressure cooker today, but you can also cook all this in an instant pot if you have one. Chopping tomato, I hear the pressure build up. Lower the heat and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now heat a heavy bottom pan. Add in the oil. I'm using ghee here. You may use coconut oil or olive oil. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. If you don't like the taste of the mustard seeds, you can avoid because some people don't like the taste. I love the sound of the seeds crackle. It makes me happy. Now add in the green chili, ginger, garlic, and onion. Saute the onion until they are translucent. As the onion softens, you will smell the sweetness of onion. It smells so good. Now at this point, add a bit of salt and red chili powder. Saute until it turns golden brown. Now add in the tomatoes, the chopped tomatoes. Let it coat along with the onion, ginger, garlic and green chili. Spread them really well and cover. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, let the natural juice of the tomatoes to cut through. Now open the lid, stir very well, and if it starts sticking to the pan, instead of water, I'm using the cooked dal water to scrape each bit from the bottom and side. It's all good stuff. so let's not waste it. Now pour in the cooked vegetable dal mixture into the pan. Give it a good stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Wow, look at the beautiful color and texture. This is very simple, rich in fiber, protein, vitamins and mineral. You should definitely try this recipe. Time to taste. This is going to be my all-in-one nutritious bowl. Serve it hot right away or along with Indian bread. Smells so good. I love the peas, carrot and spinach. I used 4 cups of spinach. You may cut down to 2 cups if you like. And I hope this recipe was useful. Next time when you make dal and when you're looking for incorporating some vegetable, hope this recipe will come in handy. Full recipe is in the description below. Share this with your friends and family. See you all in my next video and don't forget to shine with Shobs.